Accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Well, it has been looking good across all of the area all weekend long. Now the beginning of this new work week and the beginning of this new month of June. Outside, not finding any wet weather on radar. Of course, that is a huge change over what we dealt with for most of the month of May. Temperatures this afternoon responding to all that sunshine, warming into the low 80s. 82 this afternoon, a little bit above normal. Average high is 80. Overnight tonight, another pleasantly cool night, a night where you can keep those windows open under starry skies. Temperatures will settle out in the low 60s north of the interstate and probably around 60, maybe into the upper 50s south of the interstate. Tomorrow looks an awful lot like today, but we are going to be adding a few degrees to that afternoon high. It looks like highs will range from the mid 80s along the interstate to upper 80s over towards central Missouri and also south down toward north central areas of Arkansas and south central Missouri. Humidity levels aren't going to be terribly high, so it's still going to feel pretty good out there, although it will be on the warm side. We'll call this summer light conditions. Full on summer conditions that will develop later this week and into this upcoming weekend. Again, it's a quiet scene locally. It is also pretty quiet across the region. We have to look down to the south to find some wet weather across Texas. This pocket of unsettled weather right now is sort of stuck. We've got a ridge of high pressure in the atmosphere which has been positioned north of that, and it's trying to find a way to wriggle around that ridge of high pressure. Well, that ridge is going to be breaking down, and it looks like it will lift north and then east into our area by Wednesday. And this is going to be sort of a two-pronged attack on Wednesday as rain chances return. We're going to have that upper level energy passing by to the south, and we're going to have a cold front pressing in from the north, approaching I-70 by the end of the day. The system to the south, as moisture increases, will lead to, I think, some spotty afternoon showers and thunderstorms over southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Areas to the north, I'm expecting a more organized line of strong to severe thunderstorms to develop late in the afternoon heading into Wednesday evening. And there could be a few severe storms with large hail and wind. Looks like rain chances will continue to be in the forecast through Thursday and Friday. And the reason why is that ridge of high pressure, which has kept things quiet the last few days, well, it's breaking down right now. And with more of a west to east or zonal jet stream flow, we're starting to see those upper level chunks of energy that'll be moving from west to east within that jet stream energy impacting our area. Plus, at the same time, we're going to have a frontal boundary in the area. So with those features plus the increased moisture, I think we may be looking at a setup that will favor more organized clusters of storms that will sweep across the area very late in the night into the morning hours Thursday and then again on Friday. And there could be some lingering boundaries that could set off some additional spotty showers and thunderstorms both afternoons. The bottom line is we're looking, I think, at scattered shower and thunderstorm chances Thursday and Friday. Looking to the south, there's another element that I want to point out, and that is a tropical system which has developed this afternoon. This from the leftovers of a tropical storm that was on the Pacific side of Central America. It has found its way into the Bay of Campeche, and we've seen a new tropical depression form. That tropical depression number 3, it's expected to slowly organize over the next 5 days and eventually find its way toward the central Gulf of Mexico by this upcoming weekend as a tropical storm Cristobal. We're going to need to watch this one. It looks like it will try to make a move toward maybe the upper Texas coastline or Louisiana coastline late in the weekend. And then after that, it could find its way into our area toward Tuesday to Wednesday of next week. Until then, after Friday, we are looking at fairly quiet conditions. I think we could see a few isolated afternoon storms on Saturday. Otherwise, hot and dry this weekend and steamy too. Looks like we could hit 90 for the first time this year here in Springfield over the weekend. And we're going to keep things, I think, hot and sticky and quiet into Monday of next week.
Always feels hotter when you have that humidity in there, too.
Yes, it does. You can't get away from the heat.
You can't. No. Yeah, you just smacks you in the face. What's our Viewers Club number?
Well, that number tonight is 204-332, and our jackpot is $100.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Still to come here at 6.